Hi guys, welcome to Tech 360. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about a simple tool that every Windows users must have used this tool, bulk installer. So let's go to the browser first and download this tool. The name of this tool is Revo Installer. You can see here Revo Installer. Click on this. Click on the first option, Revo Installer Pro. Now you can cross this and go bottom side. Sorry, not here, but you'll find downloads. Click on this downloads and then you'll find here free download. Click on this free download. Now you can see here that Revo file has been already installed. Now open this folder and double click on this Revo setup. Then click on yes. Now click on OK and then click on I accept the agreement. Go to next, next and install it in your device. Finish. Now if you go to Revo installer, you will find here Revo installer has opened. Now if you want to install any kind of software which is Microsoft built-in or the outsider software or the third party, any software you can install from this browser. So how to install, let's see. I'm gonna install now this BlueStacks X and this BlueStacks app player, this one. Just click on this specific and go to installer. Click on this installer option. Then you'll find here this uninstall. So click on uninstall and then click on continue. If you want to make a system restore point, then you can do it, but I'm not doing this, so I just untick this. Now click on continue, then click on cancel. You'll find three different types of things: safe, moderate and advanced. You should click on advanced and go scan. It will delete from the core. Even it will if there is file in registry editor, that will also be deleted. You can see the reg edit here. Just click on next. Select all. Click on next. Just select all and go finish. Click on next. I'm going here again, install, continue. Click on advanced, then click on scan. Then just click on select all. Then you must click on delete. I just forgot to click on delete. Sorry guys, you must click on delete. Then click on delete and then go to next. Again select all, then delete. Click on yes. You can see your BlueStacks has removed. Now I'm gonna remove this too also. Just put your cursor and click on and then go installer here on top. Install. Then if you don't want to make a system restore, just untick on this and go to continue. Then click on say advanced. Then click on scan. Click on select all and go delete. Yes. Again select all, then go to delete. Yes. Done. Now the last one. This one should be deleted too. So I'm going here install. and untick this, then go to continue, then you'll find here advanced, just click on scan, then you'll find here this registry editor options, just click on select all, then delete, click on yes, then again click on select all, then go delete, then yes. Okay, now just again click on select all, then delete. Okay, you cannot delete this. Okay, just click on finish now. Then you'll find here all three blue stacks has been deleted. So guys, this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.